Hi, this is going to be our final presentation or project for CSIT 337, which is for Internet Computing. Um, I'll jump right into it. I'm going to start with the PowerPoint presentation and then head over to the live demo. So at first, we take a look at the final project. The name of our site or project was Ramys Garage. My name's Sage. I'm in the CSIT 337 Section 1 class, which is 12:45 to 2 p.m. I worked with Kareem and Anthony, who are in the Section 2 class. I'm going to proceed. So, the purpose of our website, we wanted to provide an easy-to-use platform for customers to purchase a wide variety of different luxury sports vehicles and equipment through a traditional dropshipping model. We utilize features such as offering on certain items, product browsing, cart management, secure checkout process, contact us page, and an admin center. More info on the admin center, such as the included admin panel, will allow for efficient management of all the products and readjusting of prices and stocks. Some of the technologies that we use in development, we can take a look at front-end, back-end development environment that helped us shape it, as well as tools. Some of our front end will be HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and then for back end we have PHP, such as for server-side scripting, and MySQL or database management. The development environment that we used was XAMPP. Essentially used Apache and MySQL in order to get us up and running. Some tools we used were, like I said, PHPMyAdmin for the database management, and then for coding we used Visual Studio. A brief website architecture of how we're kind of laid out. So we have the home page, which is going to serve as the main dashboard with navigation links to all the key sections we have to offer, and we'll go more into that once we get to it. We have the product listing page, which is going to display all the available products that we have for sale. We have the product details page, which will provide all the detailed information or go more in depth on the listings that you saw in the previous product page. We have the cart page, which is going to allow the users to view and manage the selected items that may have been added to their cart. We have the checkout page, going to collect the shipping and payment information from the user, just in order to ensure a secure checkout. We have the login and or sign up page. This is going to handle the user authentication so they can, sign up, have an account with us, and continue. And then finally, we have the admin panel. This is going to enable product and user management through the admin, which essentially in this situation would be us. Next, we have some of our working features. We have a functional navigation bar linking all the pages within the home page. We have a product listing and detailed product information page to include details on the said product that the user would like to take a look at. We have the shopping cart feature with item and quantity adjustment features. We have a secure checkout form for collecting all the user information as well as payment details. We have an admin panel for adding and managing products and adjusting item inventory and set prices for certain items that we want to add. Here are some key screenshots of our site. We could take a look at, this is the main home page. Then we have what the typical shopping cart screen would look like. The admin panel, more full inventory image, and then the checkout screen. I'll hold it on here for a brief second. Next, we can take a look at some of the features that we're currently in progress of, such as user authentication for role-based access, admin versus customer enhancements. We do have a separation, such as, admin can adjust stock and such, and customer are very limited to just browsing the products, but we'd like to give them a little bit more of a separation with future enhancements. We have we would like to develop a dynamic database integration for users just to increase seamless flow. Make sure the process of ordering is as easy as possible. And then we started, but we wanted to get to an email notifications setting, just so the user is able to track order confirmations and their tracking for the products, whether it's to site that they may have to meet to get or to their house. Some areas for improvement that we were able to note. We would like to enhance the UI and the UX for a better customer experience. We want to be able to implement advanced search and filtering options just to help pinpoint what it is the customer is truly looking for. We want to add a feature to track order history for all the users. And then we want to optimize the backend scripts just to make the platform more available. Some challenges and limitations that we ran into. We noted that we had a limited time for implementation of our advanced features that we were currently working on, that we couldn't finish, but we had a good starting ground on. We want to test more on multiple devices just to test the site's stability and traction control or flow of how many people can come onto it. And then the compatibility, just making sure that if anyone's using or wants to access the site across all different platforms, they're able to. And then we want to ensure the handling of the user data within transactions to provide safety and security for all the users just checking out, entering your payment information, and so forth. Brief conclusion and or our future plans. We're able to successfully develop a partially functional website, I would say. We have a good starting ground, and it's definitely, able to handle a lot of functional website related tasks, but there's definitely room for improvement. The layout and how the website is currently structured is going to leave us room for massive improvement and enhancements. It's a good starting ground, but there's obviously a lot that can be built up on top of it. We plan to fully integrate the user authentication and order management and history for all the users. We would like to improve the admin functionalities for better product management and tracking. We would like to add extensive support for multiple different payment gateways to keep the customer safe and secure. So that is it for the PowerPoint. I can jump into a brief overview of our website. So yeah, you're going to come onto it. This is what your main webpage is going to look like. There's going to be some featured products that are currently trying to get pushed out. You'll get a little greeting message when you come on. Yeah, Ramys Authentic Garage. We're going to be an auto trader site / equipment site. So the first thing we could take a look at is our products. This is going to be a general overview of where all the products are going to be stored. So currently we have a Genesis Coupe, a BMW SUV, a Maserati Coupe, or a Tesla Cybertruck. If you'd like to look more into it or get more inquiries, we would just hit view details, and that'll bring us to where we would like to reach out, whether it's for pickup, offering, so forth. So if we go back to the homepage, we could take a look at currently what's in our shopping cart. It looks like this is a very light customer, so we currently have some windshield wipers added. The user is going to be able to adjust the stock and so forth, as well as remove, and that'll tie in more to our actual database. But if we proceed to checkout, we can see this is our secure checkout form, such as handling the shipping, payment, so forth. And you can take it and place an order. If we head back to the main homepage, this is where most users will be able to log in, such as sign up if it's for the first time. If not, then you can have the option to log in and proceed. We head back to the homepage. We also have a contact us page, which essentially if you have any questions or inquiries about certain products, feel free to reach out to us. This is where you're going to be typing in your name, email address, message, submitting, and then we will get it sent to our email address in which we can reach back out to you guys. If we head back to the home page, one of the final features that I would like to cover is our admin panel, which is going to tie directly into our database. This is where the admins, aka us, would have our separation between us and the customers. We will have the prompt to enter a new product name, price, category, as well as a stock image, whether we upload it from a stored image or through a screenshot we may have found online just for temporary viewing. And then we'd be able to add the product once it is filled out, and that would go directly back into the database. And if we head back over to products, it'll pop down here. But yeah, that is Ramy's Garage. It's our take on a drop shipping style auto trader, luxury auto trader. But yeah, thank you.